Today we're going to talk about travel essentials, things that I take with me every time I travel, no matter where I'm going. They're just things that really make packing easier and give you options of clothes to wear while you're traveling, and they kind of help cover all the bases with weather, etc. So I'm going to just show you a few. First of all, comfortable shoes for lots of walking. And don't be afraid to have fun. You definitely want to have some good sneakers that are comfortable, but they can be stylish sneakers. The more stylish, the better. Also, a pair of flat dressier shoes, because that can really help you dress up an outfit if you're going out for a nice dinner or you want to just be more polished, but they're also easy for walking. No heels. We don't need heels. We actually don't need heels ever. Then I also really like to bring a good pair of polished, in good condition jeans. That's an essential for me as well. I love to bring a denim jacket because it's just so classic. You can dress it up or dress it down. It's really easy to wear with a dress, or you can wear it with shorts or a skirt. It's really versatile and very helpful if you need that extra layer. I also like to have things for the weather. So it's really helpful to always bring an umbrella with you just in case, because you never know what's going to happen. And then also a good raincoat. It can be a dressier raincoat if you're doing city travel, but it could also just be a sporty raincoat if you are doing more of an outdoor vacation. And then I will say, this is filling up because I'm not folding it. Stay tuned for that because I will show you how to pack more compactly so that you can minimize all the luggage that you're bringing. Another great thing is a travel scarf. This can be really useful on the plane if it gets cold. You can wrap it around your shoulders if you're going into a faith institution and need to have your shoulders covered. It's very lightweight. You can stuff it right in your bag and carry it with you for whenever you need it. Also, basic tees. You can mix and match these in your capsule wardrobe to make it much easier for dressing. And then also, I've been doing this instead of a sweater. I've been bringing a button-up shirt, and just either in a neutral color like white, because you can throw this on over a dress, or you can wear it on its own. And again, it's just an easy thing to pack and wear in multiple ways. And then last but not least, you really want to have a crossbody bag so that you are safe when you are traveling, so that you are able to have eyes on your bag all the time. You want it big enough to be able to hold your phone and your wallet and sunglasses, things like that. And then also sometimes I will use a tote bag. These are very stylish, and this is super lightweight, folds up really tiny for packing. But you can also put a water bottle in this. You can, your raincoat can go in this, an umbrella, and I just carry it in my front with my arm down just to kind of protect it, just in case you're in a place where there might be pickpocketing. So those are my travel essentials. Have fun on your trips this summer.